one thing that I really like about Etsy too is like, let's say we look at anime hoodie, because that was the top keyword that we saw. One thing I really like is that let's try to find somebody who has a good amount of sales. Okay, so we see this. You see this, what we're seeing here, bestseller. Etsy will only give that if that's like a top seller product for a product. So like if I'm looking for stuff, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for products that have the badge bestseller because it's essentially like an Amazon choice badge. That's what Amazon or Etsy is telling you that this sells really well. Let's see if I can go to the sellers thing. And then what you can do, and not a lot of people like try to do this, but you can click, if you go to the Etsy sellers like seller page, you can click on their sales. And when you click on their sales right there, it's going to show you each and every single one of their sales that they've had. And what this is going to be helpful for is if you see a lot of the same product over and over in these search results, then that's going to give you reassurance that, wow, like this product really sells a lot, right? So we're seeing this seller, we're trying to see like other stuff. So like you could easily, if you hire like a VA to do data entry, if you really wanted to see how many times does each product show up for the seller, of like how many times they're selling it, because then you can get an idea of how many sales are they doing on Amazon, or I'm sorry, on Etsy. And then if you were to take a similar design over to Amazon, you're going to have a lot larger success because Amazon's a larger platform with more customers and more people, and like it's just a larger marketplace overall. But this can be a really easy way for you to go one step further with Etsy of, okay, I like that design, I want to do something like that. How many sales have they gotten across their storefront? And then you can see it directly from here as well, which is what I really like to see it as well.